Hey, what's going on? Here's a quick look, pretty straightforward. This is the coupling part for the cableway when you want to butt two pieces of cableway together. This is their part number T23C. And so one end, goes on that end, the other end goes on the other cableway. And you'll notice there is a little area there where it kind of gives you a little room, lets you know that that's right in the middle. So, for a more detailed spec sheet and/or these pieces, along with many other Arlington products, visit discountlowvoltage.com.